Let's solve some word problem given in page number 3. First question is, how many kilograms do you weigh? So children, here all questions we will do in our notebook, right? So that question I have written here. We read again, how much kilogram do you weigh? So all students' weight are not equal. They all have different weight. So you can write here your weight. Okay. Suppose you weigh 25 kilogram. So I have written here. Okay. Let's see the next question. What is the approximate total weight of 12 students like you together? Children, you know that one student weighs 25 kilogram. Okay, so here I have written weight of one student is equal to 25 kilogram. So 12 student weighs how much kilogram? What we do? To find the weight of 12 student, we will multiply 25 kilogram by 12 students, like that. So here I have done the rough work. Also you will do in your notebook, children. When you will multiply both number, you will get 300. So what we write? Approximate total weight of 12 students is 300 kilogram. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question 6c. Compare the total weight of 12 students with the weight of total mangoes picked from this orchard. Which one is less? So children, from question 4 we got that 4320 kg mangoes grow in the farmer's orchard. This question, children, we have done in previous class. So you can see in your notebook to find the total weight of mangoes. Okay. Now in question 6b we got the answer that weight of 12 students is 300 kg, right? So here we will write total weight of 12 students is equal to 300 kg and total weight of all mangoes is equal to 4320 kg. Now what we have to do? We have to compare both weight. So which number is bigger, 4320 or 300? Obviously 4320 is bigger than 300. So children, naturally total weight of 12 students will be less. Okay. Let's see the question 7. If 5 kg mangoes are consumed at our home every week, okay, and if each kg will cost 75 rupees. So children, pay attention here. What is given here? If 5 kg mangoes are consumed at our home every week, so how much mango we used every week? 5 kg mangoes. Okay. If the cost of 1 kg mango is equal to 75 rupees. So what is the question? How many kg of mangoes will be required for 1 month? Did you understand, children? Here we have to find total mangoes for 1 month. Okay. So we know 1 month is equal to how many weeks? 4 weeks and 2 days. Okay. So 5 kg mangoes are consumed in 1 week. So we used how much mango? 5 kg mango in 1 week. So how much mangoes are consumed in 4 weeks? We know we use 5 kg mangoes in 1 week. So how many kg mango are consumed in 4 weeks? What we do? We will multiply 5 kg by 4 weeks. So what we get? 20 kg. So approx 20 kg mangoes will be required for 1 month. Okay, we got the first answer. Now second question, what will be the cost of it? So how much money we have to pay for 20 kg mangoes? Cost of 1 kg mango is equal to 75 rupees. It is given here. Okay. So we will write first statement, cost of 1 kg mango is equal to 75 rupees. So cost of 20 kg mango is equal to, we will multiply 75 by 20. When we multiply, we get 1500 rupees. So we will pay 1500 rupees for 20 kg mango. Okay. Now come to the next question. If the mango season continues for 3 months and you eat mango regularly, give an estimate of mangoes required. Children, in this question, here is asking we use mango up to 3 months generally. Okay. So how much total mango we required here? So what we do, children? Just think. So here I have written 3 months. I have written here separately 1 month, 1 month, 1 month. That is 3 months, right? And we know very well 1 month. How many weeks are there in 1 month? 4 weeks and also 2 days, right? So how many total weeks come for 3 months? So here 4 week, 4 week, 4 week. When we add all week, we get 12 week. Also here we add days. Here is 2 days, 2 days and 2 days. So 2 will come 3 times. So 2 3s are 6. That means total 12 weeks and 6 days. But children, here also we can convert into 1 week, because generally we know that there are 7 days in a week and here is written 6 days. So approximately 3 months is equal to 13 weeks. That means 12 weeks plus 1 week. Instead of 6 days, we can add 1 week. That is total 13 weeks, right? So here we have to find out how many total mango required in 13 weeks. Okay. So next statement we will write here. 5 kg mangoes are consumed in 1 week. Okay. So how much mango are consumed in 13 weeks? So what we write, children? We multiply 5 by 13. Okay. So when we multiply 13 5s are 65. So approximately 65 kg mangoes will be required in 3 months. Last question is, what will be the cost of it? That means, what is the cost of 65 kg mango? Okay. So children, we know that cost of 1 kg mango is equal to 75 rupees. So easily we can find the cost of 65 kg mango. What we do? We will multiply 65 kg mango by 75 rupees. When we multiply, we get 4,875 rupees. So what statement we will write? Approximately it will cost 4,875 rupees. That means when we have to take 65 kg mango, how much money we have to pay? We have to pay 4,875 rupees. So children, all questions answer you will write in your notebook with good handwriting. Thank you.